Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2020 Nissan Versa. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the features and options for which you've been searching. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, turn signal indicator mirrors, lane departure warning, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.